ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, allows you to transfer files between your local computer and a hosting server. Today, we'll show you how to create an FTP account in cPanel. There is a default FTP account created automatically in cPanel that you can use. You can log into it with your cPanel username and password. However, you can create a separate FTP account with its own username and password. You can also create separate FTP accounts for different users, or to limit access to certain folders. To create a custom FTP account, click on FTP Accounts under the Files section in cPanel. At the top of the page, you will see the Add FTP Account section. You'll need to specify a few things here. Under Login, enter the name of the FTP user. We will use New User as an example. As you can see, it has at your domain on the right. The main cPanel domain is used by default here, but you can change it to any other domain in your cPanel account. The full FTP username will always look similar to an email address, like the example that you see on the screen right now. If you have multiple domains, this will be a drop-down box where you can select the domain for the FTP account. Type in a password for your new FTP user. You can use your own password, or use the password generator to generate a secure password. Just click the Password Generator button, copy the generated password and save it somewhere. Then, check the box I have copied this password in a safe place, and click the Use Password button. If you want the user to have access to all the files in the account, just delete the directory path and leave it blank. In the Quota section, set the maximum amount of disk space the FTP user can use. In our case, we are going to use unlimited. Once you've entered all the details, click the Create FTP Account button. You will then see a message saying, Account created. You should now see the new account in the FTP Accounts section below, and you'll be able to use it in FTP clients, such as FileZilla and Core FTP, to access existing files, and to upload new ones. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them under this video, or check out our knowledge base at alchosting.net for more tips and support.